Today we're going to talk about a few things that can help prevent your MIG welds from burning or blowing through. First of all, it's important to keep in mind that of the 5,000 welds it takes to build a new car, none of them are butt welds. In this situation we have lap, 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 lap. All of them are lap welds. In other words, if you want a lap weld, you lap weld. If you need to or want a butt weld, you butt weld. Another important thing is all welders have a heat setting. This has 4. If you're burning through on 2, simply turn it down to 1. Finally, if I were to try to weld this little hole up, it would just burn right through those edges. So you have to cut out all the bad metal. And I know it hurts because the hole keeps getting bigger, but all the bad metal has to be cut out. Here's a good example of what we're talking about. And you can see it's just going to keep burning away at that thin metal. Here's a close-up shot of that, and you can try to build up the edge with welds and then eventually close this in. But that takes a lot of gas and a lot of wire. It's always easier to just cut this out and patch it. After grinding our welds a bit, we'll clean up the area, seam seal it, and try to get it to look like the rest of the wheel well. Hopefully this will give it that textured look. Here's an up-close shot of that before we hit it with some undercoating. After a couple coats of rubberized undercoating, this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video on avoiding burn through while using a MIG welder. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.